Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share some free resources of basic requirements of PowerPoint slide making like pictures, icons, colors, fonts, etc. And I will show some my creations with PowerPoint and some websites from where you can watch different category and different type of presentation and build your own idea and be creative also. So let's begin. First of all, fonts. Fonts is one of the important topic because it basically defines our presentation style, like what kind of presentation we are giving in front of the audience and the category. It also differs between the header, the footer, the contextual text. So it's very important. So if you see that in this slide, fonts are written in impact font and these texts are written in Calibri font. So that's make the difference. It is bold and this is not bold, and this is the header type and this is the contextual text. So that makes the difference between contextual text and the fonts, because this is the main topic of my this slide, so I highlighted it. So you have to choose your own font according to your presentation style, and by which you can differ your presentation, you can differ your topics and present in the right way. So let's see the websites. The one is dafont.com. You can see dafont dafont.com, and the second one is fontsquirrel.com. You can download fonts from this website free. Every fonts are free and you can install it into your PC and use it in your PowerPoint presentation. You can go and search, and don't worry, every link are in the description below, so you can pick them from here also. Next is colors. You can see these colors. Color is one of the most important topic because color combination in your slides are very important, because color attracts audience and it creates some emotions according to your presentation. So it's very important to choose right color combination for your presentation style according to your presentation criteria, because every color doesn't suits in every presentation. So you have to choose according to your presentation. I will show you how you can choose this, but let's see the websites from where you can choose the color combination. We have to choose soft colors which suits our eye. You can see these colors are showing. Then you can see in my slide there are three colors: black, this cyan, and this blackish blue. You can see. So these are the colors, and let's see the websites from where you can choose. This is Adobe Color. You can create your own color palette from this website, and there are some other predefined color palettes. You can explore them from that website. You can go and search adobecolor.com. Then nextly colors.co. every websites are free to use. You can go and check this. You can go and check that, but please watch this full tutorial, then you can go and search. Then next website is colorhunt.co. You can find your own color palette. You can see there are some soft color palettes. This is one of my favorite website. Then next we can seek icons. Then icons are really very helpful because it's reduce our work pressure and time also. You can show icons instead of writing the topic name or the topic context. So you can show the pictures also. It will help in your work and it will emphasize your topic differently, and people will get attracted to your presentation. So it's very important. So let's see the websites. These are the websites called Icon Finder. You can download free icons and SVG files. There are lots of resources. Some of these icons are paid, but free icons are also helpful. Then another website is the Noun Project. This is the website. You can see 3 million icons. This is a huge resource, you can download it. Then another website is Flaticon. There are many types of icons you can find there also. Go and check this out. Every link in this is in the description. The next topic is pictures. These are the websites we have. If you use pictures in your slide, then it will also create a great impact into your presentation. You can describe many things easily with the picture. So you have to download high quality resolution of pictures in your presentation, so that while you are giving presentation in a big window, the picture will not break down. So let's see the websites. First is Google Images. You can find huge kind of images, huge type of images in Google Images, and everything is free, Then Pixabay. This is one of my favorite website. You can download pictures, vectors, musics, illustrations from this website also. Then next website is Pexels. It's one of the favorite website of me, because I use most of the videos and pictures from this website. This is Pexels. You can find photos and videos from this website also. Then Unsplash. This is one of the website. You can download free pictures from it. Some of are paid, but you can download free. Free icons are enough. Next website is stocksnap.io. So these are our websites. You can download free pictures from these websites. Don't worry, every link are in the description. Then next is Inspirations. Inspirations is these websites. There are two websites. You can see slideshare.com and graphicriver.net. I shared these two websites because in this website, if you go and check, it's one of the ultimate resources of PowerPoint, because world's most professional designers and slide makers upload their slides into this website. So you can go and check them and have some idea of slide making. You can learn different category with different type of presentation, like education, sports, business, training, different criteria. You can go and search and create your own idea of presentation and slide making. Then next is, these are the screenshots of this website, SlideShare, and second one is graphicriver.net. You can buy also. You can buy presentation template and use in your presentation from these websites also. Then examples. I have given some of my PowerPoint creations in this slide. You can see these are some logos I have created in PowerPoint, in just PowerPoint. Then this is another logo. You can see Team Matrix. These are some infographics. You can show bullet points like this way. Then this is another infographic. Then this is some of animations you can create with PowerPoint. You can see this is our Learner's Hut logo, and this logo is built with just PowerPoint. You can see every shapes, every text are customizable. Then our intro video is also made with the PowerPoint. Doesn't it looks interesting? So please be with us. And then the lower third, if you watch my videos, you can see the lower thirds come down below in the top left corner, bottom left corner. So I have created all these things in PowerPoint. If you want to know how to create all this amazing stuff with PowerPoint, please be with us. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you find something helpful in this video, please like and share with your friends also. So till then, goodbye.